If you need to reschedule a meeting on Calendly, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your meeting time without any confusion. This is super useful if your plans changed, you found a better time slot, or you simply need to move the meeting to a different day. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the Calendly confirmation email for the meeting you scheduled. This is important because the confirmation email usually contains the direct link you need to manage your booking. Once you find the email, open it and look through the message carefully. You should see the meeting details along with options to update or manage the event. Next, click the Reschedule button. This is the main action that tells Calendly you want to move the meeting to a different time. Once you click it, Calendly will take you to a page where you can choose a new booking time. Depending on the event type and the host's availability, you may see several time options or a calendar with open dates. Now select a new available date. Take a moment here to choose the day that works best for you. Calendly will only show dates that are available based on the host's schedule, so if you don't see your preferred day, it may mean there are no open slots on that date. In that case, try another day or check a different time range. After you choose the date, select a new time slot. This is where you pick the exact meeting time that fits your schedule. Make sure you double check the time zone if you're meeting with someone in a different region because that can sometimes cause confusion. Choosing the right time slot is key to avoiding missed meetings and scheduling errors. Once you've selected the new time, review the updated meeting details. Look over everything carefully before confirming. Check the date, the time, and any other information shown on the screen. This final review step helps make sure you don't accidentally book the wrong slot. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to save the new meeting time. This tells Calendly to lock in the updated schedule. After that, wait for the confirmation message to appear. This message lets you know the reschedule was successful, so don't refresh too quickly before it loads. Finally, check your email for the updated meeting invitation. Calendly usually sends a fresh confirmation with the new date and time, so it's always a good idea to verify it in your inbox. If you use a calendar app, you may also want to make sure the event updated there too, just so everything stays synced. And that's it. You've successfully rescheduled a meeting on Calendly. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.